The following movie is rated I.
Almost forgot to take these off. That's better. They actually clear coated these stickers on, so they're not going to come off. Or you can't take them off, even if you wanted to. Even those are all cleared. That's good.
Ease. Cheese.
Brad's going to give it a go.
Yeah.
He can compare it to his CRF250L Honda. Going fishing. Put it right on the top. That's not going anywhere. So Brad's going to ride the KPX250, and I'll take the Cross Country 300. I got to get my fishing pole. I got to empty all this stuff out. I'm going to turn this in for corrosion repair. They're going to fix all... I got a whole video I made. I'm going to release it once it's completed. Drone. Is that about the same height as your bike now? Yeah, this is taller, right? You said? Yeah, I was curious. I was pretty certain that this is faster than a CRF250. The 300, I'm not so sure. I only rode one of them once, and that was, I don't know, I was kind of impressed, kind of like this though, because it snapped second up, and I was like, wow. Brad confirmed it. Yeah. What's up? Hawk 250?
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
That's what started my whole channel.
Is it really?
Like 5 years ago. If you ever watch YouTube.
Oh, your YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's what I learned on. So.
They're good, perfect for that.
Yeah, I'm getting rid of my Hawk. I see you have Hawks all the time.
Oh yeah.
Been a good bike, man.
And Brad's riding my the KPX. Yeah, I do.
I found your package a while ago.
Yeah, you and your girl, right. Now what are you gonna get?
Looking to get into a side-by-side.
Nice. Well, good luck. They're a good bike.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. How we going, man?
Yep. Take it easy. Thanks, Ronnie and Matt. 2 key tags going out. What do you think?
I like it.
It's a pretty smooth bike, right?
It is. It reminds me of the 250 a lot.
Stay off the main roads as much as possible. I think once I put that flat seat on here, maybe my favorite bike, dual sport that is. Yeah, that windscreen blocks a lot of wind. It's about right, maybe below the visor. Could definitely hear this up a little more. And I could drop like 3 tooth on the back. Maybe I should just go 6 tooth, so if I have to, I could just put a smaller front sprocket. I should have got fuel, huh? This has a pretty good reserve, even when that hits red, I think. Ooh, it's cool by the water. Definitely cooler out here on the Gulf. People out there with jackets. Yeah, still got a gallon at least. Oh, this won't start unless it's in neutral. Didn't know that either. Baby fans are on. Somebody was having fun. Yeah, there's got to be more. There's a lot of spent rounds around here. A lot of them. Water's clear.
Yeah, it is.
It sucks they haven't fixed a pier yet. Bass lure probably wouldn't work here. I don't know what they'll go after though, maybe. Yeah, these cheap reels don't last too long in the salt water. Should have stopped for bait on the way out.
Go away, baiting!
Yeah, KPX goes pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it does. I think the counterbalancer is a little better too than the CRF250L.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I noticed that the CRF250L doesn't start to get buzzy till like I'd say 55, but the KPX don't get buzzy till around 60.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah,
Power-wise, the 250L had a little more.
not much.
Right, not a whole lot more. I know they rode about the same. Well, we didn't catch any fish.
Found some 9mm case.
That's right. A bad day of fishing's better than a good day of work, though.
Yeah.
Thought I lost my key. It was in my back pocket. Stupid cheesy. I gotta stop and get gas. What the heck? Fix the pier. I don't think anybody's swimming today. People sunning now. Well, one person.
MotoCheez cruising them back roads slow on this cross country 300. Let the cool air blow. 6 gears singing while the pine trees lean. Hard wide open where the fields turn green. MotoCheez cruising, yeah, I feel that pull. Tank on full and my soul on full. Water cooled hard, running quiet and mean. Counterbalance smooth like a back road dream. That quick fire start, just a thumb then go. Inverted forks eating up these dips and holes.
I keep on hitting the horn when I go to do the turn signal.
Oh, right, because Honda reversed it from everybody else, yeah.
And the kill switch on the Honda is a Rocky.
Oh, right. My light was flashing to get gas. And it's a 3.6 gallon, I think it is, tank. And that's 2.3 that it took, so that's over a gallon reserve. Wow. Wow.
MotoCheez cruising them back roads slow on this cross country 300. Let the cool air blow. 6 gears singing while the pine trees lean. Hard wide open where the fields turn green. MotoCheez cruising, yeah, I feel that pull. Tank on full and my soul on full. Kicking under the seat, every shift hits sweet. Got the world at my feet. Out here I ain't worried about the mess I left behind. Just a country boy riding, clearing out his mind.
No buffalo. But the goats. The goats are there.
The goat, you bastard!
Can definitely gear this up. And I'm gonna. Ah, wasn't even thinking. I'm gonna let him drive this and I can get some video. You wanna drive it back? Then I can see what it looks like.
All right.
What a difference. Yeah, these handlebars are kind of low compared to those. It's got some torque, huh?
Yeah.
You didn't really get to rip it too good, but you got a little bit.
Yeah.
Now they got to start putting that motor and everything else. It's definitely noticeable when you go from this to that.
Yeah.
You can feel like the torque on that's like...
Almost electric.
Right. Very torquey. Well, I took the drone and didn't use it. Well, that was a good ride anyway. It was too windy for the drone. And I got more content. I got to see that from the side. Suspension looks like it's not too bad.
Not at all.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.